But we're here today to talk about a nor'easter. We've got a serious nor'easter that's bearing down. This is a serious storm. And just at the outset, what I want to say to the public is this is one to take seriously. You know, you'll hear from the team about what's going to happen, but we're going to see snow coming later today. It'll start this evening, and it's really going to go through the day tomorrow, Monday, with some serious accumulation overnight and through the morning Monday. And we'll talk about all of that. But this is a serious storm that's coming through. So whatever you need to do over the next, 8 hours or so, 6 hours or so, make sure you get out and get it done. And our ask and plea, as always, is going to be to please stay off the roads for your safety and for the safety of the folks who are out there trying to clear the roads, keep power on, and keep people safe. I'm joined today by our Secretary of Public Safety, Gina Kwan, MEMA Director, Don Brantley, also Deputy Secretary of Public Safety and Security, Sue Terry, Colonel Jeff Noble of the State Police, Brigadier General Mark Healey of the Massachusetts National Guard, MBTA General Manager and Interim Transportation Secretary Phil Ane, Undersecretary of Transportation and Highway Administrator Jonathan Gulliver, MBTA Chief Operating Officer Ryan Caholen, Secretary of Energy and Environmental Affairs Rebecca Tepper, DCR Commissioner Nicole LaChapelle and Deputy Commissioner Rob King, Brian Ritzinger, who leads the storm response for the Department of Public Utilities, among other folks who are here. We wanted to provide information about the serious blizzard that is coming our way and some of the conditions that we're going to be dealing with both tonight and through the day tomorrow. First off, I've ordered activation of the State Emergency Operations Center. I've directed all relevant agencies to deploy resources and make preparations. Mass DOT and DCR are pre-positioning equipment and supplies. Our public safety teams are ready, and we're coordinating across agencies and with partners, including municipalities, utility companies, and others, to be ready to support our residents. Here's what we expect. Heavy snowfall is set to begin accumulating around 10 o'clock tonight. It's going to continue through the day tomorrow. It's a strong, long-lasting storm. We expect 12 to 18 inches across much of the state. Greater Boston is likely to see between 18 and 24 inches, 1 to 2 feet of snow in the greater Boston region, but 12 to 18 inches, generally speaking, across the state. Snowfall rates are going to be high. We're going to see accumulations of 2 to 3 inches, particularly overnight and through tomorrow morning, and up to 75 mile per hour gusts on the coast, okay? We also will see tomorrow, Monday, wind chill temperatures in the low teens. So with these factors, we expect to see whiteout conditions, near zero visibility, another reason we want people off the roads. There will be a strong likelihood of power outages and downed trees. The last storm, Fern, a few weeks ago, right? That was a drier snow, a fluffier snow. This is going to be a little wetter, and there's already existing accumulation in places. So unfortunately, we do expect to see power outages and downed trees. There's also going to be a risk of coastal flooding and erosion during high tides tomorrow. Again, I will say it, please stay off the roads. It's really critical for folks to stay off the roads for their safety and for the safety of those who are trying to clear the roads and clear any debris. In terms of formal announcements, I'll make a few right now. First of all, I'm declaring a state of emergency effectively in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. This enables us to respond to conditions. It helps us to deploy necessary resources and to support our residents' safety. Second, I've activated 200 members of the Massachusetts National Guard. They are going to be ready to assist with rescue response, with debris removal, and the like. Third, I'm directing that Monday, tomorrow, is a remote telework day for all non-emergency state employees across executive branch departments. I urge all private employers to do the same. Already we've seen notice of any number of activities and schools closed tomorrow, of course. But people do need to be off the roads during the duration of this storm. That's what I'm asking the public to do. As I mentioned, snow is going to be heavier, winds are going to be stronger, driving conditions will be worse, and power outages are more likely. So please stay off the roads and give people time. I've talked about this in the past. We got to give people time, especially guys at the driving plows. Keep a distance. If you have to be on the roads, keep a distance from those plows. Let them do their work. Reduce risk to yourself and to the drivers. And know, that every car that gets stranded, runs down, slips, crashes, you are creating burden for our first responders who may need to be deployed elsewhere. And that's part of why we say, stay off the roads, because what you do has a direct impact on everybody else. And this is a time where, first responders and teams need to be able to be out there taking care of the most vulnerable among us. State police troopers will strictly enforce all speed limits and also enforce distracting driving and move over laws, okay? Remember, move over laws, very, very important. So for your own safety, bottom line, stay off the roads. As I said, tomorrow's going to be cold. We're going to see wind chill factors really, really low. Stay indoors, check on your neighbors, check on elderly neighbors and residents, make sure that they have what they need. And we are expecting significant power outages. So if you do lose power, please call 211. Call 211, and you will find out where the nearest warming center is and get assistance getting there. Follow local guidance as well as state guidance. Many municipalities, including Boston, have instituted parking bans. Please get your cars off the streets, okay? Get your cars off the streets now. We've got a few hours to play with. The plows have got to be able to clear. And as you know, we had snowbanks and all accumulate from the last storm. There's already snow on the ground. Make it easier for folks to do what they need to do in terms of snow removal. Get out and get your car to a different location if you can. We'll continue to provide tips and guidance online at mass.gov/snow. And I know that many people have been already out there working hard to prepare for this. They'll continue to be ready for what comes, and we'll continue to keep you posted. I do want to thank all of our DPU workers, plow drivers, first responders, and those out there who will be out there with chainsaws and the like to do what needs doing over the next 24, 72 hours.